Maybe it's time to update your VoiceZam Player. Hey there, I'm Marc Scott with another voiceover tip. As always, more free advice on the business and marketing side of voiceover, new tips just about every single week. And you never have to miss one if you just subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll always get notified when a new tip is going up. And of course, if you want more free advice on the business and marketing side of voiceover, make sure you check out the Everyday VOpreneur podcast, wherever fine podcasts are given away for free, including Apple Podcasts, Google Play, Spotify, Stitcher, Podbean, Amazon Music, and on the website at VOpreneur.com. So I've been offering up some tips about what to do with the summer slowdown. Most of us experience some level of summer slowdown. It's not uncommon when everybody's going on vacation. You've probably sent some marketing emails, got a few autoresponders bouncing back, letting you know that people are out of the office, but you still want to be productive. So what can you work on? One of the things that you might want to think about is updating your VoiceZam Player if you happen to be using the VoiceZam Player. And if you're not using VoiceZam, by the way, you might want to check into VoiceZam because I think it's a really great way to showcase demos on your website. So here's the deal. In a perfect world, we would all be able to go out and get new voiceover demos, get them refreshed every year, right? But that's not the reality for most of us because at $1,500, $2,000, $2,500, even $3,000 a pop for a new demo, most of us can't realistically update our demos that frequently. So how can we keep them fresh without having to do a complete update? One of the things that I love about the VoiceZam Player is that it allows us to break our demos up into clips. And in doing so, we can add individual clips to some of our demos. So if you've worked on some really cool projects in the last year that you're really, really proud of and that turned out really, really well, reach out to your client, ask for permission to use it for demo purposes, and then grab a clip from that spot, project, video, whatever, and add it onto your VoiceZam Player. That's a really easy way to refresh your demo without having to go out and spending a whole lot of money to get it done because, like I said, most of us can't do that every single year. So adding some new clips, tagging them on to the end of the demos that are already there can be a really great way to refresh your demos, throw up some new content on your website, and showcase some of the work that you are doing right now. If you're interested in finding out more about VoiceZam, by the way, you can get 3 months of VoiceZam for the price of one at voicezam.com/Marc Scott, and I'll throw that link into the description below, but voicezam.com/Marc Scott. Get 3 months of VoiceZam for the price of one, a really cool way to put your demos up on your website, but also a really easy way to be able to refresh them every once in a while when a cool new project gets done.